Need to match more than one condition in Excel? Today I'll show you two ways to do it using XLOOKUP. Let's say I want to find the total sales where the region is East region and the product is monitor. The first method combines both lookup values, like this. XLOOKUP, the first lookup value East and the second lookup value monitor, comma, and the lookup array is the region and the product, comma, the return array is the total sales. And now I got the total sales for the monitor in East region, which is 1900. This first method is great for a smaller dataset and it's very easy to read as well. But if you're working with thousands of rows or very large dataset, use the second method instead. XLOOKUP, and this time the lookup value is 1, comma, open parentheses for the first condition, which is the region equals to the first lookup value, which is the region as well. Close parentheses, multiply with the second condition, which is product column equals to the second lookup value, the monitor, close parentheses, comma, and the return array is the total sales. And now I got the total sales for the monitor in East region as well using second method. So this second method checks both of the conditions separately and only return the total sales when both conditions are fulfilled. This second method is much faster and it's less prone to subtle matching errors. So next time, use XLOOKUP for multiple conditions and also use the method that fits your dataset. And I'll see you next time. Bye.